Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong reading. Titignan natin ang energies for yung ngayong New Moon in Pisces sa February 28, 2025 at 8:44 a.m. Philippine time. So, ang reading na to maaring mas makaresonate yung mga rising sign. Kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung rising sign ninyo, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon, link on the description. Although, this reading maaari ring makaresonate yung mga Aries Sun or Aries Moon. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Baka-check in lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so, Aries. Itong new moon is happening in your 12th house. This is about your subconscious, this is about your mental health. So kung mapapansin niyo, no, especially mga Aries rising, you've been thinking a lot lately, medyo parang all over the place kayo ngayon, or you want mental clarity, marami kang iniisip, especially if this is related sa pag-aaral mo or yung mga goals mo for your projects. Oo, maaring marami kang gustong gawin pero hindi mo nagagawa kasi ino-overthink mo yung mga bagay-bagay, 'di ba? Na what if ganito mangyari, what if ganito. So it seems na you want na, well, yung parang ayaw mo magkamali ka. Oo. Kaya hangga't maaari pinag-iisipan mong maigi. Kaya lang, alam nyo ba yung paralysis of the analysis? So, the more na ino-overthink mo ang isang situation, the more na nasa-stuck ka sa lugar na yan, no? Or sa idea na yan, at hindi mo talaga siya na isa sa katuparan. So, you might want to declutter your thinking. Maaring meron kang mga gagawing hakbang para makapagtanggal ng stress, or kumbaga yung iyong mind makalma mo yung isip mo ngayon, kasi itong New Moon in Pisces is about new beginnings, setting ng mga bagong goals and dreams para sa'yo. Okay, and this is in your 12th house, kaya maaring meron kang project na gusto mong i-pursue, kaya lang iniisip mo yung mga limitations, no, na baka hindi ko magawa, baka hindi ko, alam mo yon. So you have to just focus on what you can do and just start it, gawin mo na lang, kasi eventually you will be led to your purpose, no, with the North Node here. Some of you Aries rising, meron kayong spiritual na talents or spiritual gifts that you've been thinking kung ipupurso mo ba, gagawin mo ba. So, maaring iba sa inyo gusto nyo maging tarot reader, astrologer, or palmist, no? Yung nagbabasa ng guhit ng palad, yan. Or anything that is spiritually inclined sa'yo. So, maaring yung iba, you want to learn more about it. So, meron kang mag-enroll ka sa isang course, or pwede rin tong self-study, no? Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong pag-aaral or exploration about any knowledge that you want. It's in your 3rd house. So, maari ring 3rd house kasi is about learning, short distance travel. I feel like this is about journey mo, spiritual journey, okay, para sa inyo. Maaring mag-enroll kayo sa isang yoga class, or isang mind, body, and spirit na development. May mga ganong activities to relieve stress, to remove stress, or to just see clarity, or find guidance and a sense of purpose para sa inyo. Oh my God. See, you are a healer, Aries. Mga Aries rising, kasi pwedeng iba yung Aries rising kayo pero iba yung Aries sun ninyo. Pwedeng you can be Pisces sun, diba? Balance, yes. Finding balance in your life. I think kasi yung iba sa inyo Aries, medyo marami kayong ginagawa or inaasikaso or iniisip. You need to go out and find balance, no? Yung paglalakad-lakad, ganyan, sa park, detoxifying, maraming ways. Pisces. Aries. Kasi nga, new moon din Pisces. So, pinagre-relax kayo. Pinagre-relax kayo ngayon. So, you deserve it. Kasi minsan parang meron tayong guilt na, ay, hindi ko deserve yan. No, you deserve it. You've been working so hard. Kung kailangan mong mag-reset, kung kailangan mong magbakasyon, do it. Para sa kaayusan ng iyong sarili, ng mindset mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are healing from a past trauma. Oh, 'di ba? You have the sun. The sun is clarity, 'di ba? You really want to find clarity in your situation. So ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng certain energy na, uy, ito gagawin ko na to. Ito na yung gusto ko. Sure na ako. Four of Wands is a celebration. Celebrate mo yung sarili mo. Celebrate your small wins, big wins, ano man yan. But I feel like you are parang nagkakaroon ka ulit ng ng sense of purpose. Nagkakaroon ka ulit ng inspiration, motivation. Oh, you have the Eight of Wands, which is going with the flow. This is also communication. So maaari ngayon mas marami ka nakakausap, nakakasalamuha, that is also helping you para makapag-explore. Minsan kailangan lang natin ng ibang perspective sa buhay, no, or mga kausap para matanggal yung stress for you. Okay? You have the Nine of Swords. You've been thinking a lot, and I think yun yung way mo ngayon to de-stress is to alam mo yun, tawag dyan, to mingle. Mingling, no? New connections, new friendships, to go out with nature. Kasi you'll never know, meron ka dyan makikilala ng mga tao na may kapareho mo ng interest, tapos you will feel comfort doon sa mga taong yan. Think it through, new moon in Gemini. So, maaring meron kang decisions na kailangan gawin. And you have to think about it. Cool your emotions, Aries. Kasi minsan, naapektuhan ang emotions ninyo ng mga bagay na iniisip ninyo or ino-overthink ninyo. 'Di ba? And then, it's time to release negativity. 'Di ba? I-release na yung negativity na yan, yung mga doubts mo sa sarili mo, limitations mo, because you are meant to be true to who you really are. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.